Welcome back to my channel. My name is Raeanne. I am a mom of four and I love all things home. We just got finished eating dinner. My husband and oldest son went off to soccer practice. My husband is coaching this season. So it's me and the three kiddos at home. So the first thing that we need to do is tackle some of these dishes. I feel like there's nonstop dishes all the time. And honestly, I should probably start having my oldest help me with these, but sometimes it's just easier to do them myself. I can be quick. I can make sure that they get clean and there's no soap left over on them. So I'm gonna just take a few minutes and start cleaning up the dishes. One of the reasons why most of my videos have voiceovers is because with 4 kids and a dog, there is constantly noise in my house. So there's always someone talking to me, asking questions, arguing, fighting, whatever goes on in a home with 6 people and a dog. So I love doing these videos for you. I'm probably gonna put a few more of these videos on here. I was really sticking to decorating, but honestly, I love everything home related and I want to share more of just everyday life with you. Okay, I need your opinion. I don't like my cabinets at all. Besides the fact that they're honey orange, they don't function well. The drawers are so small inside, I can't even fit my plastic wrap in there. And then stuff at the bottom just gets stuffed way back there. It is just not my dream kitchen, but until we get there, should I paint them? Or should I just live with them as is? I need your opinion. Let me know in the comments below. So tonight I made a beef stew in the crock pot. I made some corn muffins. Earlier I was putting away blueberry muffins. My oldest daughter loves taking muffins to school. So we're just gonna clean up the beef stew and get the counters all nice and clean. I feel like I am constantly wiping off my counters, all the time. I love to do it. I love that the counters are always clean and it just makes me feel like the kitchen is somewhat clean. So if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that our house is a little unique. The architecture is kind of different. So yes, from that spot on the counter, I am actually facing the front of our house. And then when I'm at the kitchen sink, I'm looking at the back of our house. We have a really nice view of the lake back there. So it is a weird layout. And then we have a door on the side of our kitchen that leads out to a little patio area where we have our grill and a little fish pond. But when we do a kitchen renovation, everything is pretty much coming out and going in a different spot. So that's one of the reasons why we're waiting until we kind of save up for that, because things are going to be moved around. It's probably going to require new flooring. It's going to be a huge project. My mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get. I use a good old-fashioned dish wand when I do dishes. I got it off of Amazon and I always have refills of the sponges, and then I usually use Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. I think at one point in my life I was on I can only buy clean ingredients things, and it just kind of stuck with the Mrs. Meyer's. I really don't know how clean it is, but I'm going to continue using it. And there's my drawer of the sponges. I change those out once a week. I don't know what the recommended time frame is, but once a week seems pretty good so they don't get too disgusting. There's a legacy between us. We grow, we go, but in the middle, time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any It was also shower night in our house, so all 4 kids needed to take a shower, one when he gets home from soccer, but in the midst of all of this, what you don't see is me rushing around trying to tell people to go take a shower and then helping my 7-year-old out with her hair. I have a 7-year-old girl, an 8-year-old boy, an 11-year-old boy, and a 12-year-old girl. So 4 kids within 5.5 years is definitely crazy, but sometimes I miss when they were really little because they were just also adorable. And then other times it's like, okay, I can breathe and like actually sit down for more than 10 seconds. So we have this little overhang behind the sink, and I have a love-hate relationship with it. We definitely need a spot where we can put like our water bottles and lunch boxes and just extra things. And like right now I'm gonna go through all my kids' homework and any papers that I need to look through, but it also just feels like it's a clutter spot, and that is not where I want my clutter spot to be. I feel like every home has like kind of a junk area, and I don't like that it's right by my kitchen sink. All right, moving on to some laundry. I do not have a set laundry routine. I wish that I did. I probably should with all the people in our family. We are doing probably like 2 to 3 loads a day. And then there's extra for like when you're washing bedding or all the towels. So we do a lot of laundry in this house. I cannot wait to redo this room. It is one of the next projects on our list. This and the mudroom are both not really super functional for our family right now. So I cannot wait to do these rooms. All right, let me know what your least favorite household chore is. Mine is folding laundry. I have no problem putting the laundry in, switching it, and putting it in a basket. But when it comes to like sitting down and folding, it's just not my thing. I would rather be like doing something like vacuuming or mopping the floors or dusting, like something that requires moving. I think it's like the sitting there or standing there that I just don't love. I am wanting to get a new dining table. This one is okay. It's from Target. It's actually holding up great. I love the shape. I love how it looks, but I'm just not loving the black anymore. I want something a little bit lighter in the space. We just don't get a ton of like sunlight in here. We get light, but not actual sunlight because there's a covered porch. So I just want something a little bit lighter. Eventually I'd like to switch out the chairs too, because I am getting rid of like everything black, and I really want these like beautiful off-white ones with some gold on them. I think those will look amazing.
When you enter the room, and when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew.
That is my son, Ty. He is 8. He will be 9 soon. I can't believe it, but having a little snack. I feel like my kids eat all the time. Like we just had dinner an hour ago and now everybody's hungry again. I don't understand. I'm going to take care of some of these packages over here. I have been getting a lot from Amazon. I'm probably going to be doing an Amazon video soon. I have been getting so much that like it's just like packages everywhere. So I'm just gonna take care of these. Sometimes when you're busy, you know, and you get a package, it's like you just have to set it somewhere and it's time. They've been there for like a week or so, but I kind of forgot that I got these. So let's open this together. They are the cutest drinking glasses with glass straws too. I just thought they were so adorable. I have seen these, like so many influencers have these, and it was just like, okay, I'm gonna cave. iced coffee, a smoothie, just water during the day. This is my normal cup that I drink out of like all the time. Like that is my go-to cup. And so these are a little bit bigger, so they would hold a little bit more water, and they come up with these cute little scrubby things for the straws. And I'm just going to be careful like not to break anything, but how adorable. Like they are also aesthetically pleasing. I'm going to put these in my hutch and they're just going to be so adorable there. I'm gonna set these over on the counter so I can give them a good wash, and you can see my kids' water bottles already piling up. Never ending dishes. But I am loving this video with you. Just chatting like we're two friends having coffee and just talking about all the things. All right, so I'm gonna bring my laundry in here. This is one of my girls' rooms, my youngest daughter that's 7, as you can tell by her adorable bedding. I want to redo her room soon. It's gorgeous what I have in my mind. I cannot wait. We are currently doing a project in our living room. It is a disaster right now. I cannot wait. That video is coming soon. It's like a whole living room makeover. I usually take my laundry and go fold it in the living room. I don't know. It's just like, it's a habit now. I've done that for so long. I really do want to start folding it in the laundry room, but probably once we make that over, I will start folding it in there. But for now, I'm just gonna bring it in here because this is like kitty corner from our laundry room. Both my girls' rooms are right across from the laundry room. So it's just easy to bring it in here because our living room is just like a disaster right now. With my kids, I really only buy them enough clothes each season to like last maybe like 6 or 7 days. So because I don't buy them like an excess of clothes, I am having to do laundry more. So in my mind, it was like, oh, I'm not gonna buy them like 15 shirts. But then it's like, oh, well, then I have to do laundry every few days. So they always have clean clothes. So I don't know, it's a trade-off. My oldest daughter had some homework she needed help with. This was actually a fun one. It was events that happened before she was born. So it was kind of fun thinking about, oh, like my grandparents got married when they were this, and your dad and I got engaged on this date. So it was kind of fun doing that with her. This is just one load of laundry. What you've seen for, I don't know how many minutes now, and I have even sped it up. This is just one load. Can you imagine? Like, I will be honest, usually I do the laundry, put it in a basket, and it sits in our living room for a few days, and my husband folds it. He is really good about that. He doesn't like it sitting there, and I'm just like, I don't have time. Like, I am just so busy doing all the other things. So again, my kids were hungry and wanted more food. So I cut them up some apples. I will tell you about my picky eaters later. It is so crazy and kind of stressful, but we'll save that for a different video. This is just for 2 of my kids. So I cut up 2 apples each, and I have a special dessert that I made. I will find the recipe for the dessert and link it below. It is Rice Krispies with a layer of caramel in between the Rice Krispies. It is like the most delicious thing, and this whole pan lasts us like 24 hours. It's so easy to make, so it's nice to take to like an event or a party, or if you have like your kids have friends coming over. Super easy to make, and everyone seems to love them.
as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile.
Just getting under the table really good. I didn't really get under it before, I just got around it because Ty was sitting there eating. I got this rug from Revival Rugs. I feel like I need to do a video about all my new rugs soon, but I love it. It is super soft and amazing. We're gonna end the night with some hot chocolate. I don't do this every night, but I am really like getting in the fall spirit, even though it's still like 90 degrees here in Michigan. I am so ready for like, let's go to like 60 degrees and have the leaves falling and be able to wear like leggings and a cute sweater. I'm just ready for that. So I'm gonna drink some hot chocolate and just pretend it's fall.
Mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart. Every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms. Pretend we'll stay here forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun chatting with you, and I can't wait to see you back here soon.